Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of C? Now read with me, hooray! Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Zzz is for zebra, black and white and bright. Tree walk jump. Zzz is for zip. Pull it up just right. Tree walk jump. Zzz is for zoo, full of fun and delight. Tree walk jump. Bye bye, friends. See you next day. We'll learn new sounds. Hip hip hooray!
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content.
If you want to purchase the books, then contact Akhtar Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.